Want your mail merge replies to go to a different email? Well, here's how to change the reply to address using Mailmeteor. First, what you want to do is open Google Sheet. Once you've written down all of the first names, emails and company names, for instance, you want to add a column which is going to be named reply to. In the reply to column, you'll enter the specific email address you want each participant to reply to. Now, Mailmeteor will use those addresses as the reply to for each individual message. Once you've added this column, click on extensions, then Mailmeteor if you already have it, otherwise go ahead and download it. Click on new campaign. So it will be from me to recipient in column B. Enter the subject. Then enter the body of your email. Make sure you add the variable by clicking on insert variable so at least every email will be personalized. Now click on preview emails to make sure that everything's been done properly. So for Sally, you've got the right name, you've got the right email, and you can notice that the reply to and from emails are different. Send emails and you're all done. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Gmail and Mailmeteor tips. See you next time and happy emailing.